So today we've gone into camp with a little bit of light left, and I thought we might put some sticky pork ribs on. So firstly, we're just going to put a few ingredients into a bowl for a marinade. So in here, I've actually got the chilli, garlic, and then we've also got a little bit of ginger. Now a little bit of an odd one, but a cinnamon stick. Now these are all really different flavours, and the thing I like about this is it really makes it pop. So with this, we're actually looking at just getting some of the rind off the side of the orange. They don't need to be chopped up or anything. We're going to add a little bit of water, so just 1 cup at the moment, some honey, some oyster sauce, and also some soy sauce. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now, this one here, coriander. So we're just going to chop this up, stalk and all. Quite rough, doesn't really matter. Marinade, the best thing about it, it's just going to sit in there with the meat and do its thing. And pop that straight in. So really nice and easy, just stir it all in. I think I can smell it, which is beautiful. So the magic of TV is that last night we actually have already marinated our meat. So I'm just going to grab that out of the fridge. Beautiful. So with the marinade, it's really important that it's sort of in there for about 12 hours. This has been 24 hours, which is ideal. So I'm just going to open this one up. Oh, I can smell all of that. So there you go, guys. I've got them on the full rack. We're going to be doing this one in the camp oven. It's easy, just pop that in like that. All right, now we've made this marinade that we just did here, and I'm not going to waste the food, so we're going to actually add that in. We've got 2 racks in there and a pretty big crew. Alrighty, so pop this one over on the fire.
I'm going to let the ribs cook in the camp oven for approximately an hour before finishing them off on the grill.
Alrighty, so these have been on the grill and they look amazing. So, time to cut them up. The sauce and the greens. Now the whole stack of little bitey flavours in this. It's going to go over the top here and over the sauce. And there we have it. Sticky pork ribs. Borgie, come on up. There you go.
No, I don't need that. This is finger food. Hang on.
Yeah?
That's not bad at all. There's heaps of flavour in that.
Yeah, it's got a lot of punch, hey? Don't know how you're going to go with the rice being finger food, but good luck.
Might need a fork for that bit.